Hey everyone, it's Thomas from MetaCTF. I am excited to give you all a tour of OnDemand Labs, which officially launched yesterday on May 1st. So let's jump in. You'll be able to access OnDemand Labs just from your home dashboard. So once you log in and create a MetaCTF account, you'll be able to access it here. So when you click the access button, it'll take you to this home dashboard. The entire user interface is going to look new to you and different. So I'll just give you a quick overview of that. On the top right, you can see we've done some new things with our scoreboard. So there's going to be, in addition to the all-time scoreboard and all-time rank, which will be carried over from our previous platform, there's also going to be a current scoreboard, which only takes into account challenges that you've solved in the past 100 days and most recent from our weekly challenges. We're also tracking things like first bloods and weekly streaks, which is exciting. Here, you'll also be able to see what you've done in performance by different categories, how many points, and where you rank in those categories. Really exciting new feature here is weekly challenges. So we're going to be releasing one new featured challenge each week. So this week you can see is covert trace, but these are the challenges that are going to contribute to the current scoreboard. So solving these challenges will be a good way to stay current on things and see our most recent content. From here, if you're getting started for the first time, our getting started guide on the left-hand side on this nav bar is going to be your friend. Everything here from providing information about our support, definitely join our Discord server if you're looking for community and more information about the challenges and where to go, where to get started. As I mentioned, the info about the weekly challenges. So we're going to be releasing those on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. Eastern time. And so if you want to get first blood, tune in then. And then information about our learning modules. We're launching with 3. I'll show you a couple of those today, and then more information about our scoreboard. So if ever you get confused by something, going to this getting started page will be a good place to start. From here, if you want to jump into challenges, I'd recommend starting with topics and tags. This is going to give you a bunch of baseline information and organize the challenges a little bit better. So we do have about 320 challenges in the platform right now. Our goal is to add a lot more, so stay tuned. But this should give you, a good starting point on where you want to go from here and where you want to get started with specific challenges. We're going to be continuing to launch more of these tags. And if you have any specific things that you're looking for, please let us know. We want to know what you're interested in. From here, I'll go down to the weekly challenges. So as I mentioned, currently it's covert trace. So that's the most recent challenge. Looks like someone solved that today. And yeah, this is going to be a part of the current scoreboard. Next, we'll go over to the all challenges. So if you just want everything, you can still get that too. You can see all the categories, so you can filter this in a bunch of different ways. But this will be how you access all 320 challenges. This is a new feature. So the info button here for each individual challenge, if you click on that, it'll show you more information about it. But it will also take you to a form that we've created just for OnDemand Labs. So any issues or questions you run into, it's as easy as clicking that button and then filling out this form. So you can let us know, let our support team know. The email goes to me and Roman and the rest of our support team. So if you have any specific questions, we can get back to you quickly. From here, as I mentioned, excited to show learning modules. So we're launching with these 3. These are designed a little bit more towards, people who maybe have less experience with these specific topics or tools. So we have Wireshark module and file analysis and reverse engineering. So yeah, excited for you to dive in. This is not just hands-on content. There is hands-on content, but what it's going to do is give you a 101 walkthrough of each of these topics, how to get started with them, how to use them, some context. So this is sort of true, education and training. And what it's also going to do is take you to a couple of hands-on challenges that go with it. The learning modules, you'll be able to learn all the basics and go through these things. We're also going to tag and have hands-on challenges that are connected to each of these modules so that you'll be able to read about it, learn about it, and then go and actually do it. Okay, I mentioned the current scoreboards, and then we have the all-time scoreboard. So this is everyone that's coming over from our old platform. So you can start making progress towards the current scoreboard. For companies, one of the features that we have is creating private scoreboards. So if your company or your team wants to have a specific scoreboard that you all can compete on every month or quarter or even annually, we can set up a private scoreboard for you. There are additional admin features. That this isn't an admin account, so I haven't shown that. Maybe I'll do another video on admin features next week, but this will show you a little bit about, how everyone's doing by category, activity level, things like that. Like I said, there's more admin features, including reporting and things, more advanced level features like that. So excited to show you those on a future video. Please reach out if you want to see more. Also, we're being very generous with free trials. So if you want to check it out, just reach out and we're happy to set that up for you. But until next time, thanks for checking us out.